Let's do a case study with the Curaprox Chairside Interdental System. So this patient came to me, 29-year-old male, had been several years since seeing a hygienist. You can see that there's some issues in the gum, especially in the anteriors. When he closes or bites his teeth together, there is some occlusal forces affecting the bone as well. Home care, actually not too bad when it comes to brushing. He brushed twice a day with an electric toothbrush. When we look at the X-rays, we can see some crestal bone loss in some areas. We are having some subgingival interproximal calculus that we can see. But really, brushing-wise, it wasn't too bad. He does have generalized recession because of the occlusal factors, I think. Also because there is some interproximal inflammation. But really, they are not bleeding. However, there is biofilm being left interproximally. So an interproximal brush or interdental brush is a great solution. With this patient, I used the interproximal probe from Curaprox to measure these interdental spaces. You gently put pressure in between the teeth to see what size of Curaprox brush you need. And then you can actually see, like, the posterior, we had a different color up here in the anteriors, even pre-treatment. We have yellow in the anterior. So with that, that means it's a different thickness of brush. So we get a little more custom fit. We're going to remove more bacteria with these patients because we're having the correct size brush fit in the areas that they need, depending where in the mouth they need it. So as you use the system, you're just going to gently place between the teeth, figure out which color needs where. And this area is actually post-treatment. We got rid of all the calculus. Now it's going to be so much easier for him to use this yellow interdental brush. And really, one stroke is all you need, in and out, in between each interproximal. Now this patient can take home their mouth map. They know exactly where to use which colors, and they can just be more effective with their biofilm removal at home and see better progress with their healing. If you have not tried the Curaprox Chairside Kit yet, today is the day to try.